there's a lot of games we haven't had a good start, and that's where when we're chasing the game all the time, and it's not great. So it's huge to get the first goal every time.
Your thoughts on James' performance tonight in the nets to give you guys this win?
He was awesome. Just keep saving a lot of great saves, and he was pretty confident out there. So it was pretty nice to hear the crowd yell his name too.
In the last few minutes of that game, where you're trying to, keep the puck out of the net, how much do you look to, we're trying to score a goal and end this thing, and at the same time be responsible defensively, trying to make sure they don't get the man advantage goal?
Just gotta keep playing our own end, and we can't just throw the puck and ice it. So it's kind of tough. You have to try to skate it a little bit or just chip it somewhere. But I think we did a pretty good job. I think it hit the post once or something, but they're going to get some shots. They have more people out there, so Reimer was good.
On Nino's goal, were you expecting him to pass it back to you on that?
Nope. I don't know. We're kind of both kind of struggling to score some goals, so I don't know. No one wanted that, I guess.
And last thing for you, to close out this homestand the way that you guys did, to get 5 wins here the way the Metro is, how important is it? I know every point's important, but just to get these 2 wins back-to-back to close out the homestand strong.
Yeah, it's good. We've been having a lot of fans out here, so again tonight was great atmosphere and a pretty special night. So it's good. We just have to focus on the next one coming, so every game is huge.